Hello and welcome everybody to Time Saving It channel. In today's video we are going to explain the best website ever for short links, which gives a very high rates for CPM. Click per minute means every 1,000 clicks you will get more than $10, and this is really awesome. I have never seen any website gives this much value. This website starts as a new website. I wish you to understand that it's not easy to make a profit on internet. You have to work hard, you have to be consistent in order to achieve your goals. Don't be frustrated in a short time and work hard. We are going to explain all the process in this video. Please stay tuned. Okay, this website, its name is XOR-link. This link will be in the description section. The payout rates, as we see here, it's very high for United States. It's almost it is $12 per 1,000 clicks. For Egypt, it's $11. So you have a very high rates here for this website. You can get benefit out of this. Publishing useful links for the people, they will get the benefits of those links and you will get the benefit for the clicks. Well, let us sign up. Normal process. You should have a username. You can select any or you write your own. Then email and then password. Check I agree to the terms of use. It's not accepting because I have underscore, so I have to remove that and register. Your account is created. You can just sign in with your username and password. Now this is the website. It seems like any normal short link websites. It has Arabic and English language. You can work in the interface what you like to, but English is okay. These are the statics: total views, total earning, referral earning, average CPM. So if you have referrals, you can get 20% from your referrals. It's not going to be taken from them. It will be a bonus from the website. So any referral from their profit, you can get 20%. It's a very high rate and really good if you have a good traffic in your website or your YouTube channel. You can just copy this link and paste it under your YouTube channel or your website. So now if you wanna withdraw, you can withdraw even single $1 you can withdraw, and you will have a lot of options to withdraw your money. My Wallet, PayPal, Paisa, Skrill, Web Money, Perfect Money, Payeer, bank transfer, Vodafone Cash. This is for Egyptians only. Nettler. So you will have a lot here to withdraw, but you take care of the minimum values. For PayPal, $1. For Payeer, $1. For Vodafone Cash, it is $1, and it's really good. It should be dollar, not dollars. Okay. And as per my understanding, they are going to add more payment methods in the future. So let us now check if we copy any of the links here and try to paste it in our website. We're gonna go for manage links and mass shrinker. You can add more than almost till to 20 links together here. Shorten, you will have your own link here. So every 1,000 clicks for this, you can get $12 if you are US, and the traffic is from US. So let us have a small calculation here. Just to understand, if you can make $200 very easy, and more also if you like. We have 1,000 clicks, so $10 divided by thousands, so it's 1 cent. If you wanna 200, so we divide 200 divided by 0.01, then you are in need of 20,000 clicks so that you can achieve $200. I believe it's not much, and you can do that very easy. If you work hard and try to have innovative ideas, you are going to achieve that, and it's not going to be a big deal for you. I know if you are in US, $200 is nothing, but for other countries, $200 is really worth to work for. Based on the traffic that you have, you can achieve what you are targeting. So now we have the link. Is it possible to share this link in Facebook? Yes, it's possible, but through different way. We will see how to do that in a simple step. For example, we selected this video, copy, and we will go to our website and go back here, then shorten this. If you take this as it is and share it in Facebook, it will be very dangerous because Facebook maybe ban your account. Let us try. It may accept, it may not accept, it depends. And maybe accept the link, and after a few minutes it will remove the post. Paste it here. It's going to come with also Facebook photo, and this is the good thing about this website. But we prefer to take this link and go to this website, which link of this website also will be in description section. Paste it here, write anything here, or you leave it blank, doesn't matter. Shorten, you will have this link. This link is not banned by Facebook, and you can easily share this in the Facebook. Share on Facebook here. We'll remove that, paste, and share. So we are not trying to cheat the people. We are going to share some good information which really helps them either in technology or information or knowledge or something which is really interesting. You can select that. So once anybody clicks on this, he will go for this process. Once he click on that, means you have a click now, and he will go for what you are targeting him to see. Sorry, it's Arabic video, but it's only for example. You can do that for any video that you like to do, or any link. The point is, you can do it if you are consistent and you are trying to put the efforts to win from internet. You are going to achieve that, and there is no problem in this. You should be more consistent. You should continue the work. Don't only target the money. You should love what you work. Don't expect that you are going to get the profit from the day one, because this will never happen, and after a short time you are going to lose your exciting, and you are going to lose your consistency, and you will not achieve anything on internet. My advice to you, try to be more consistent, try to continue working, make a clear plan to achieve your goals in order to climb the stair and go where you are targeting in a specific time. The plan should have a specific time and measurable results. This is only as advice. I'm not going to talk much about these things. You must know, if you are watching this video, you are interested in internet profit, which is not easy, but it can be possible, and it's possible to be done. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share it with others in order to get benefit out of that, and subscribe to the channel so that you will not miss anything. All the links will be in description section. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in another video with time saving. Bye.